In a forgotten valley, untouched by light, stands a fortress lost in time. They say no one enters it and returns the same. The story follows three friends, each carrying a burden from the past. The main gate is locked. It demands a sacrifice to be opened. What do you have to lose? The game begins. Each person surrenders something precious to open the gate. The seeker who gives up his watch enters first, followed by the seeker who gives up a necklace, and then the seeker who gives up his backpack. Seeking solace, they find their way to the fortress, hoping for a fresh start. But fate had other plans. Because the fortress is not just a labyrinth of tests. It's a reflection of their deepest fears and forgotten traumas. A curse forged in darkness where every choice has a price, and not all doors lead home. Are you ready to face your fears and conquer the fortress? Because the adventure is just beginning and the secrets of the fortress will change their lives forever. Three seekers, one riddle and a lock that demands a sacrifice. The seeker relives moments of his past, confronting the ghosts of memories. Suddenly, the seeker who gave up her necklace steps into the room. She recognizes the trinkets, the clothes, the photographs. They were her grandmother's. Who's the seeker? Who's trapped in this place of memories? Behind every door lies not just a world, but a test. Some doors lead to memories, others to madness. Before them stands a massive door adorned with an intricate keyhole. The seeker who gave up his watch steps forward. He inserts the key of memories into the keyhole. The door creaks open, revealing a passage. The legend of Andheron Ka Qila is about to unfold. As they step into the fortress, they realize it's not just a building. It's a labyrinth of secrets. The seeker who gave up his backpack steps forward. As he opens the door, he finds himself in a realm of constellations and planets. Before him is the cosmic keyhole. He inserts the key of courage into the keyhole. The seeker is hurled through space, hurtling towards a distant planet. What will he find at the end of his journey? Will he return the same? And just like that, the gates swing open, revealing a courtyard. The air is thick with anticipation. As he moves to the fortress, he finds himself in a place filled with toys, clothes, and photographs, each whispering a tale of joy and sorrow. They move deeper into the fortress, coming across a door with a celestial map. Trapped between fear and fate, they must unravel the clues hidden within the fortress walls before it's too late. This is more than an adventure. It's a journey into the abyss of their own making. Andheron Ka Qila, a tale of bravery, sacrifice, and the strength of friendship will keep you on the edge of your seat. Will you step inside? Andheron Ka Qila releasing.